Welcome to RRB Group D Current Affairs. First question is, which of the following mammal that possess a nucleate red corpuscles? The camel and the lambs are the answer. The Libet controversy during the Lord Langton's time is related to concept of judicial equality. The third question is, the instrument used for finding out wind direction is wind vane or windsock. The fourth one question, the Satyashodhaka Samaja was founded by Jyotiba Phule, Pune in 1873. The fifth one, the Pandit Birju Maharaj was the dancer of the dash form of Kathak form of dance form. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.